Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to use Excel to calculate normal probabilities. All right. So here we are in Excel. So let's go to more functions, statistical, going all the way down the list. So normal starts with N. Okay. So you can see it has normal.dist, normal.inverse, normal.S.DIST, normal.S.inverse. So this normal.S.DIST is the standard normal distribution with mean 0 and standard deviation 1. Okay, so it's very simple. If you just specify a number, it's the value for which you want the distribution. Okay, so for example, we want to look at the 0.5, for example. And now in the cumulative, it's a logical value. If you want true, then it's the cumulative probability. It's from the left all the way to 0.5 under the standard normal curve. Okay. So, but if you say false, then it will give you the value of the probability density function, right? Remember the PDF for the normal distribution, there's a formula for that, okay? So if you specify cumulative false, then it's going to just evaluate that PDF at value x equal to 0.5. And you can see that is the 0.352065, okay? So what happens if you say, let's go to NORM.S.DIST, still 0.5. And if you want cumulative to be true, okay, click OK. Now this is 0.691462. This is the probability from left to all the way to 0.5 under the standard normal curve. Okay. All right. And also the percentiles. You can go here from okay, what? NORM.S.INV. So all you need to do is specify a probability, and it will give you the inverse of the standard normal cumulative distribution as a mean 0, standard deviation of 1. So for example, you want to look at 0.95, and that's the 1.64 percentile, all right? So that's for standard normal distribution, but if you have a general normal distribution, then it has this function called the NORM.DIST. Okay, you click on that. So you specify, for example, a value of 2, and the mean is 1, and standard deviation is 2. Then you can do cumulative. If you do false, then it'll compute the value for the PDF. Oh, what's happened here? Let's see. .dist. Okay. So I say this is 2, this is 1, and this is 2. Cumulative, this is logical value, false, and then this is interesting. Let me try another cell. NORM.DIST is a 2 and mean 1. Standard deviation 2. This is a false. And it actually gave you a number there. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but it's 0.176. But what if you specify cumulative equal to true? Okay. NORM.DIST. So remember this. It's a 2, 1, 2, and it's a true. Okay. Okay, so this is similar. This 0.691462. Okay. And you can also calculate the percentile. Here is the norm.inverse. Again, you specify a probability, for example, 0.95 and mean is 1, standard deviation 2, and this is the percentile in that under that general normal distribution. Okay, so the function norm.dist and norm.inverse is convenient when you don't want to standardize your variable into a standard normal distribution. You can directly enter the mean and standard deviation there. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching.